Exercise 4.2, pair of linear equations in two variables. Basically, we are going to discuss about word problems. Most of the students, they will be having problem in understanding this word problems. But if you once understand the reasoning behind the problems, it will be easy for you to understand. So let us start the problem here. Here the problem says that the ratio of incomes, basically this is related with the ratio. The ratio of incomes of two persons is in the ratio of 9:7, and their expenditures, the ratio is 4:3. If each of them manages to save 2000 rupees per month, find their monthly income. So here we have to find out the monthly income. Now let us see the solution. So here first of all we will see the ratio of incomes. They are in the ratio of 9:7, or we can write this in the form of 9x and 7x. So we are taking these variables 9x and 7x. So similarly, we will take the ratio of expenditure. Expenditure means how much they are spending. So expenditure, the ratio is 4:3. So we will take this as 4y and 3y. So these are the two things which we are getting. So then according to the problem, what does the problem say here? So according to the problem, here we can see that this is the income and this is the expenditure of first person. So this is the income and expenditure of the second person. So here I will form an equation like this: 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000. Why I am taking 2000? Why? Because he is saving 2000 rupees per month. So this is for first person, or we can write it as first equation. And we go for the next one: 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. So this is our second equation. Okay, is it clear? Now what you have to do, see, we have to see that we have to make the terms 9x and 7x equal, or 4y or 3y equal. So what we'll do to make the equations equal, that is one of the x values or y values, you have to make it equal. So for that, what I am doing, I am multiplying the equation 1 into 7. So if I multiply equation 1 in 7, what will happen? 7 9s are 63x minus 28y is equal to 14,000. So similarly, second equation into 9. So why I am taking 9 here? As I said before, I have to make one of the values of x equal. Okay, so now our x is becoming equal. So I will get 27y is equal to 18,000. Okay, that is 7 nines are 63, 7 fours are 28, 7 twos are 14, that is 14,000. Similarly, second equation into 9, 9 sevens are 63, 9 threes are 27, 9 twos are 18,000. So this is 27. Okay, now we got these equations. So now we will simplify this equation. So what I can do here so when I subtract the equations, so the 63x and 63x, they will cancel out, and we will have here minus y. Why? Because 28 minus 27 is 1. So we are having greater number sign. So that's why I am writing here greater number sign. So minus y is equal to minus 4,000, or this minus and this minus get cancelled. So I will be getting y is equal to 4,000. Okay. Now what I will do, I got the value of y. So I will try to substitute this value in any one of the equations. So I will substitute in this equation. So 9x minus 4 into our y is 4,000 is equal to 2,000. So I will be getting 9x minus 16,000 is equal to 2,000. So 9x is equal to, if this minus 16,000 it goes this side, what will happen? It will become plus. So 2,000 plus 16,000, which is nothing but 9x is equal to 18,000, or x is equal to 18,000 by 9. So 9 ones are 9 twos are. So I will simply write these values here. So I will be getting x is equal to 2,000. So here I got the values of x and y and x. So what I have to do here, I have to substitute these values in this equation. That is, now I will get the income of the first person will be, according to the problem, it is 9x. So I got x is nothing but 2,000. So 9 into 2,000 is nothing but 18,000. So this is the income of the first person. Now let us see the income of the second person is 7x. So 7x is nothing but 7 into 2,000. So if I calculate, I will be getting 14,000 rupees. So this is for the first person and this is for the second person. So these are their monthly incomes. I hope that you understood this problem. Let us solve the next problem. So in this problem we can see that the sum of a two-digit number, we are having a two-digit number, and the number obtained by reversing. For example, let us take, this is a two-digit number x and y. If you are reversing the digits, so it will become y and x. So their sum is how much? 66. And the digits differ by 2. The digits of the number, they differ by 2. That is, the numbers will be x minus y is equal to 2. Okay, find the number. First of all, you have to find the number. How many such numbers are there? So let us solve this problem. So for that, so we'll see the digit in units place. Let it be x. Similarly, digit in tens place, we'll take it as y. So then the value of the number, it will be 10y plus x. So this is our ones digit and this is our tens digit. So 10y plus x. So next what we are doing? We are reversing the number. We are reversing the number. So reversing means x will come here and y will go there. So it will become 10x plus y. Okay. But by the problem, that is according to the problem, what is telling 10y plus x and 10x plus y, that is their sum, is telling the sum of two digits. So sum we have to add. So how much we are getting? 66. So we are getting 66. And he is telling that if the numbers differ, the two numbers, that is x minus y, is how much? They differ by 2. So I will take x minus y is equal to 2. So similarly, if I simplify this one, so I will get x plus 10x, how much? 11x. Similarly, 10y plus y, so I will get 11y is equal to 66. So if I further simplify, 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11, and similarly 11 6 are. So I simplified this equation, I will get x plus y is equal to 66. And the next equation will be this one, xy, that is x minus y is equal to 2. So here I am getting, this is our first equation and this is our second equation. So again what we have to do? We have to solve these equations. So x minus x plus y is 6, x minus y is equal to 2. If I subtract this one, so what I will get? This and this get cancelled, so I will be getting 2x is equal to 8. Okay, so or I will be getting x is equal to 8 by 2, that is nothing but x is equal to 4. So now I got the value of x. So what I will try to do? I will try to substitute this value of x. I will try to substitute this value of x in one of the equations. So what is that equation? I will take x plus y is equal to 6. So I got the value of x as 4. So 4 plus y is equal to 6. That is nothing but y is equal to 6 minus 4. So I will get y is equal to 2. So this is my value of y and this is my x. So now what I'll do, I'll substitute these values. I'll substitute these values of x and y in 10y plus x and 10x plus y. So what I'll get? I'll get 10 into y. How much? 2 plus x. 10 into x. X how much? 10 into 4 plus 2. So I'll get 10 to the 20. 20 plus x. So x how much here? X I got it as 4. So this will be 4 and this will be 40 plus 2. So I'll get 24 and 40. So this is our answer. So if we add these two numbers, I will be getting 66. Why? Because according to the problem is telling 66. So if I add 24 and 42, I will be getting 66. So that means our answer is correct. So we can say that the numbers are 24 and 42. So and is also asking how many such numbers are there. So we are having only two such numbers. If we are adding, so we will be getting 66. So we are having only two such numbers. So this is the solution for the second problem. Now let us see the next problem. So according to this problem, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. So find the angles. So we know that what is a supplementary angle. For example, this is a straight line. If there are two angles, so this is first angle and this is the second angle. If we are adding, we are getting 180 degrees. So if we are getting 180 degrees, then it is known as a supplementary angles. That means the both are supplementary to each other. So here what you have to find out? You have to find out the angles. So we'll start the solution. So let us take the pair of supplementary angles. So let one angle be x and the other one be y. So according to the problem, x is greater than y. Why? Because it is telling exceeds means greater than. So what I am doing here, I am taking x as greater angle. So we know that when you add these two angles, I am getting 180 degrees. So then according to the supplementary angles, I will write x plus y is equal to 180 degrees. So this is equation 1. So according to the problem, x is equal to y plus 18. One of the angles exceeds by 18 degrees. So this is by the problem. The condition given in the problem, we can say that x is equal to y plus 18 or x minus y is equal to 18. So this will be my second equation. So I am getting two equations, 1 and 2. Now we'll solve equation 1 and 2. So if I solve, I will get x plus y is equal to 180 degrees, x minus y is equal to 18 degrees. So if I solve this one, that is if I add them, I'll get 2x, this and this get cancelled, I'll get 198, or we can say that x is equal to 198 by 2, that is nothing but x is equal to 99 degree. So we got this 99 degree. So I'll substitute this value in equation 1, this equation. So x plus y is equal to 180 degree. So x how much? 99 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Y is nothing but 180 degree minus 99 degree. So one angle is 99 degree. So what I have to do if I want to get the second angle? You have to subtract these two angles, 180 minus 99, so which is nothing but 81 degree. So we can say, therefore the angles are 99 degree and 81 degree. So this is our correct answer. So how to check that our answer is correct? So here we know that the supplementary angles, the sum is 180 degrees. So what we will do, we will add 99 and 81. So this is 81 and this is 99. So how much I will get? 180 degrees. So this is our sum. So the answers are 99 degree and 81 degree. I hope that you are able to understand this problem. Let us see the next problem. So this problem says that a fraction becomes 4 by 5 if 1 is added to numerator and denominator. Okay, so we'll take our numerator as x and our denominator as y. Okay, so according to the problem, I am adding 1 if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. So I am adding x plus 1 and y plus 1. So it is becoming 4 by 5. The fraction becomes 4 by 5. So if 1 is added to numerator as well as to the denominator, and if 5 is subtracted from the numerator and denominator, that is x minus 5, y minus 5, so it will become half, that is 1 by 2. So what you have to do here, you have to solve these two equations. So if I cross multiply these two, 5 into x plus 1 is equal to 4 into y plus 1, and similarly 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 1 into y minus 5. So if I simplify, 5 into x, 5x plus 5 into 1, 5, 4 into y, 4y plus 4 into 1, 4, and here I will get 2x minus 10 is equal to y minus 5. So now if I simplify this equation, this one, 5x minus 4y is equal to 4 minus 5. So I will get 5x minus 4y is equal to minus 1. So similarly, here I will get 2x minus y. Simply I am bringing this minus this side. So this minus 10 will become plus 10. So I will get the equation as 2x minus y is equal to 5. So here, so this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. Now I have to solve these two equations. So if I solve these equations, I will be getting the answer. So for that, what I have to do, I will take this equation 5x minus 4y is equal to 1. So similarly, 2x minus y is equal to 5. That is minus 1. This is minus 1 and this is 5. So this is our equation 1 and equation 2. So as I said before, I have to make these x values equal or y values equal. So I will try to make these x values equal. So how it is possible? Equation y into 2. Similarly, second equation into 5. So 2 5s are 10x minus 8y minus 2. So similarly, 10x minus 5y is equal to 25. So I am multiplying this whole equation by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5y. 5 5s are 25. So if I simplify, I will get this one 10x 10x. If I subtract both the equations, I will be getting minus 3y is equal to minus 27, or I will be getting y is equal to minus 27 by minus 3. Minus minus gets cancelled. 3 ones are 3 nines are. So I will get y is equal to 9. So now I will substitute this y is equal to 9 in equation 2, or any equation you can substitute, but here I am substituting in second equation. Why? Because this one is easy. So I will take 2x minus y is equal to 5. So 2x minus 9 is equal to 5. That is nothing but 2x is equal to 5 plus 9. 2x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 by 2. So x is equal to 7. 2 ones are 2 7. So x is our 7. So now we have to find out the fraction. So this is the main answer. So we know that if the fraction is x by y, so we got the value of x as 7, that is this one. Y is how much? We got the value of y as 9. So 7 by 9 is. So in this problem we can see that places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. So one car starts from A, another from B at the same time. According to the problem, a car starts from A. So this is our car. So it is starting from A and another car is there at B. So it is also starting from B. They are traveling at different speeds. If the car travel in the same direction, so if they are traveling in the same direction, they'll meet after 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, that is, if one car is going like this and the other car is coming in this direction, so they will meet each other after 1 hour. So we have to find out the speeds of the two cars. So now let us solve this problem after understanding the situation. So let us take the car starting from A as x kilometer per hour. Another car which is starting from place B, let it be y kilometer per hour. So distance traveled by the car. So distance traveled by the first car in 5 hours is equal to 5x and the distance traveled by the second car in 1 hour is equal to x. So here I am getting 5x if it is traveling in 5 hours. If it is traveling in 1 hour, I am getting x. So this is for the first car. Now let us see for the second car. So distance traveled by the second car can be given as 5y in 5 hours and y in 1 hour. So here we can see the distance traveled by the second car is 5i in 5 hours. Similarly, y if it is traveling in 1 hour. So according to the problem, by the problem, when the cars are traveling in the same direction, I can take the equation as 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. Or I can simplify this, that is I am dividing the equation by 5. So I will get an equation 5y get cancel, x, y, 5 get cancel, y, 5 ones are 5 20s are. So I will get one equation, that is x minus y is equal to 1. This is my first equation. When the cars are traveling towards each other, so we will get the equation x plus y is equal to 100. So this is our second equation. Now we have to solve this equation. Solve 1 and 2. So what I will get, x minus y is equal to 20, x plus y is equal to 100. So if I simplify, I will be getting 2x is equal to 120. So both these will get cancelled. I will get 2x is equal to 120. That is nothing but x is equal to 120 by 2. So I will be getting x as 60 kilometer per hour. So now I got the value of x. So I will substitute this x. Substitute the value of x. Substitute the value of x in equation 1. So I will get x minus y is equal to 20. So our x is 60 minus y is equal to 20. So similarly, minus y is equal to 20 minus 60, which is nothing but minus y is equal to minus 40. Minus minus get cancelled. So I will get y is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. So we can say that the speed of the first car is 60 kilometer per hour, and the speed of The speed of the second car is 40 kilometer per hour. So according to the problem, we got the values as 60 and 40. Now let us see the next problem. So according to this problem, two angles are complementary. That is, when you add the two angles, you will be getting the sum as 90 degree. So these are complementary angles. The larger angle is 3 less than twice the measure of the smaller angle. So here you have to understand this sentence. The larger angle and the smaller angle. So first of all, let the pair of complementary angles be x degree and y degree. So here, according to the problem, x is greater than y. So we know that the complementary angles, the sum is x plus y degree is equal to 90 degree. So according to the problem, we can say x is equal to 2y minus 3 or x minus 2y is equal to minus 3 degrees. Simply I have brought this 2y this side, so that it is becoming minus 2y is equal to minus 3 degrees. So now, this will be our first equation and this will be our second equation. So here we got the two equations. Now we have to simplify the two equations. So here again you have to understand this one. The larger angle is 3 less than. So let us take x is our larger angle. It is 3 less than. 3 less than means I will write this minus 3. Less means minus 3. Then twice. So I will write twice as 2. The measure of the smaller angle. So the smaller angle is y and the larger angle is x. So my larger angle will be twice the measure of the smaller angle. So y is our smaller angle. So I am getting x is equal to 2y minus 3. So like this I got this equation. Now we have to solve the two equations. So I will be getting that is solve 1 and 2. So if I solve 1 and 2, I will get x plus y is equal to 90 degree, x minus 2y is equal to minus 3 degree. So if I subtract, I will be getting this and this, they will go. I will get 3y is equal to 93, which is nothing but y is equal to 93 by 3. That is 3 ones are 3 9, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3. So I will get y is equal to 31 degrees. So I got this value y. So I'll substitute this in equation 1. So x plus y is equal to 90 degree. So x we have to find out. We got the value of y as 31. So now I will bring this 31 this side, it will become minus. So x is equal to 59. So one angle is 31 and the other angle is 59. So this angle will be 31 and this will be 59. So how to check this one? Simply you add these angles 31, 59, you will be getting 90 degree. So this is nothing but our supplementary angle. Now let us move on to the next problem. So according to this problem, an algebra textbook has a total of 1382 pages. It is broken up into two parts. The second part of the book has more part. So for example, this is the first part and this is the second part. So two parts are there. The second part of the book has 64 pages, more than the first part. So first of all, let us take the first part. Let us assume that it is having x pages. And the second part, let us assume that it is having y pages. So by the problem, x plus y is equal to 1382. So we have to find out the second part. So this point is important. How to find the second part? So second part is y. So I'll write y is equal to the second part of the book has 64 pages more. More means plus. So always write the number at the last. Then the first part. So first part is how much? X. So simply what you have to do, you write this statement in reverse order. So here having 64 pages more. More means plus you have to write here. How much more? 64 it is more. And this is our first part. So we will get y is equal to x plus 64. So we can write like this. Y is equal to x plus 64. So if I simplify this one, I will get x minus y is equal to minus 64. So this is our second equation. Solve equation 1 and 2. So what we will get? X plus y is equal to 1382. X minus y is equal to minus 64. So if I add this, I will be getting 2x is equal to 1318, or we will get x is equal to 1318 by 2, or simply x is equal to 659. That is 2 ones are 2 6 are 2 5s are and 2 9s. So I will be getting x is equal to 659. Now you substitute this value in equation 1. That is x plus y is equal to 1382. So I will take x as 659 plus y is equal to 1382. That is nothing but y is equal to 1382 minus 659. So if I subtract, I will be getting 723. So here we can say that the first part has 659 pages and the second part it has 723 pages. If you add both these values, you will be getting the total number of pages. So this is our final answer. Now let us see the next problem. So according to this problem, a chemist has two solutions of hydrochloric acid. So one is 50% solution and the other is 80%. So let us take the two solutions. One is 50% solution and the other is 80%. So they both are HCl solutions. That is our hydrochloric acid. So it is asking how much of each should be used to obtain 100 ml of a 68% solution. So first of all, we will take the solutions. Our first solution is 50% acid. The second solution, it contains 80% acid. So if we are adding both the solutions, that is, let us take this as x and this as y. If I am adding x plus y, I will be getting 100. Why? Because according to the problem, this 100. So I will be getting 100. So this is my first equation. So if I am mixing the contents, that is mixing the contents. So what are the contents here? 50% of x plus 80% of y. How much I will get? 68%. Why? Because according to the problem it says it is 68%. So percent is nothing but divided by 100, no? So I will write this equation as 50 by 100. This is x, 50x by 100 plus 80y by 100 is equal to 68. Or if I simplify, 50 ones are 50 twos are. Similarly, 24s are 25s are 68. So I will be getting the equation as x by 2 plus 4y by 5, which is equal to 68. Now I have to simplify this equation. There is nothing but simply I have to cross multiply this and this. So I will get 5x plus 8y. 5 into x, 2 into 4, 8 and y by 2 5s are 10 is equal to 68. Or simply I will be getting 5x plus 8y is equal to 68 into 10. Because it is in division 10, if it goes this side it will become multiplication. So I will get 5x plus 8y is equal to 680. So this is our second equation. Now we have to solve this equation, first and second equation. Before solving, I have to make the equations. This equation and the first equation, the term should be equal. For example, here I am having 5x, here also I should get 5x. So for that, I will multiply equation 1 into 5 and equation 2, I will write equation 2 as it is. But I will multiply the first equation by 5. So I will get 5x plus 5y is equal to 500. Second equation as it is. 5x plus 8y is equal to 680. So now I have to solve this equation. So 5x, 5x. If I subtract, they both get cancelled. So I will be getting minus 3y is equal to minus 180. So or y is equal to 180 by 3 is equal to 60. That is 3 1s are 3 6s are. That is y is equal to 60. So now we got one of the values. So we will substitute this value in equation 1. So x plus y is equal to 100. So I have to get the value of x. We got the value of y as 60. So I will take it as 60. So x is equal to 100 minus 60. So x is equal to 40. So here the two values are, that is the first solution, that is our x is how much? It is 40 ml. Our first solution x is 40 ml and our second solution, that is y, is equal to 60 ml. So if I add both of them, I will be getting 100 ml. Why? Because here you are getting, this is our 100 ml. So if I add up both these values, I will be getting the answer as 100. So that's why this one and this one, they both are the correct answers. Now let us see the next problem. According to this problem, suppose you have 12,000 rupees. That is, I am having 12,000 rupees. You have to invest some amount at 10% and the other amount at 15%. How much should be invested at each rate to yield 12%? First of all, let us take the amount to be invested at 10% be X and the amount to be invested at 15% as Y. So according to the problem, we'll have X plus Y is equal to 12,000. So this is our equation 1. Also 10% of X plus 15% of Y is equal to 12% of 12,000. According to the problem, 10% of X plus 15% of Y is equal to 12% of 12,000. Okay, so what I have to do, simply I have to convert this into, I have to remove this percent. So I'll write 10 by 100, that is 10x by 100 plus 15 by 100y is equal to 12 by 100 into 12,000. So 12 into 120 is nothing but 1440. So here both the denominators are same, so I'll get 10x plus 15y by 100. So if this 100 it goes this side, then I'll get 10x plus 15y is equal to 1440 into 100. So that is nothing but 10x plus 15y is equal to 100. This is our second equation. So now we got the two equations, first equation and second equation. So now we'll try to solve the first equation and the second equation. So as usual, I have to make this first equation and second equation equal. So here I am having 10x. So here also I have to make it 10x. So for that, what I will do, equation 1 into 10 and second equation as it is. Why? Because it is already having 10x. So I'll get 10x plus 10y is equal to 1,20,000. So similarly, I'll get the next equation, 10x plus 15y is equal to 144,000. So these are our two equations. Now how to solve this one? That is subtract. When you subtract, you will get this 10x they will go and you will have minus 5y is equal to minus 24,000. So that is nothing but y is equal to minus 24,000 by 5, that is minus 5, minus get cancelled. So 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40, 0 0. So get cancel. I'll get 4800. So this is our y. So what you have to do? You have to substitute this value in equation 1. This is our equation 1. So I'll write x plus y is equal to 12,000. So x how much we have to find out. Y we got 4800 is equal to 12,000. So x is nothing but 12,000 minus 4800. So if I subtract, I'll be getting 7,200. So this is our answer. That is x is how much? 72,000. That is the 10%. That is 7,200. And 15% is 4,800. So this is the final answer. By this we conclude this exercise. I hope that you are able to understand this video. If you like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this